Did you know that entire villages can vanish beneath the water and yet remain alive? It sounds like a legend, but this one is true. Dozens of English villages began to disappear. To build reservoirs, entire valleys were sacrificed. Families received letters until the water came knocking. Imagine watching your garden disappear. One of them was Derwent in Derbyshire. Divers say it's like another world. You can still hear the church bell ringing. But the bell was removed long ago. When the drought comes, Derwent rises again. People come to see it. You can almost feel the lives that once filled this valley. Tables, clocks, everything frozen in time. History doesn't vanish, it hides. Progress always has a price, but they never truly die, they wait. Some stories sink, others just sleep. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.